Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 29, 2025, just yesterday. The main punchline is that this paper introduces RealUnify to test true synergy and finds unified models still fall short, with a best open source score at 37.5% on understanding enhances generation, while a proprietary model reaches 63.0%. The paper is titled, RealUnify, Do Unified Models Truly Benefit from Unification? A comprehensive benchmark, and the implications for model training are quite significant. In brief, the benchmark spans 1,000 instances across 10 categories, uses a dual evaluation protocol, shows stepwise gains like Bagel rising from 32.7 to 47.7%, and sets an Oracle upper bound near 72.7%, highlighting the need for stronger integration strategies. Also, the authors shared a GitHub repo with the full benchmark toolkit. You'll find Python code in SRC, evaluation scripts in eval, and a clear README explaining setup, plus direct and stepwise evaluation. It details using UEG, GEUJSONs, saving generated images or responses, and running evalgeneration.py and evalunderstanding.py to score results. Alright, Figure 1 shows how the evaluation evolves from separate understanding and generation toward true synergy. The left panels sketch prior setups that either test the skills alone or only place them side by side, which means models can succeed without the abilities interacting. The right panel presents stage 3, where tasks force interaction through mental reconstruction and logic-guided prompting. This layout clarifies the goal: make understanding improve generation, and make generation actively support understanding. Figure 1 set up the motivation. Table 1 compares RealUnify with prior benchmarks and shows what is uniquely covered. Ability synergy here means testing whether understanding and generation must work together to solve a task, not just coexist. The table reports that RealUnify is fully human-annotated and uses both direct and stepwise evaluation, which matters because it diagnoses integration failures. It also spans 10 categories with 32 subtasks. Table 1 set the scope. Figure 2 shows 2 main task categories that structure the benchmark. It organizes 10 task types with concrete examples, covering both reasoning-guided image creation and perception-aided reasoning. Hence demonstrates stepwise evaluation, which means splitting a task into an understanding stage and a generation stage so diagnostics become clearer. The left column outlines understanding enhances generation, while the right column illustrates generation enhances understanding with mental simulation-style prompts. Figure 4 maps the dataset across 2 tracks, showing how understanding enhances generation and generation enhances understanding split into broad categories. The chart covers 10 categories, so the UEG side spans common sense, mathematical, logical, and scientific reasoning. GEU emphasizes mental reconstruction, which means imagining or synthesizing a view to piece together a scrambled or transformed scene. It also includes attentional focusing and cognitive navigation, which require generating an intermediate image before answering. So the takeaways are crisp. Unified models rarely show real synergy, and stepwise testing exposes the gap between having the skills and integrating them. An Oracle mix of specialists hits about 73%, so there is ample headroom. The broader implication is clear. Training and evaluation must target integration, not just coexistence. Thanks for listening. I am Alex, signing off.